Okay, Bob here again. I installed the spear kit that I got from Underground Graphics. I didn't really feel the need to make another installation video since Greg and his guys down there have already got installation videos for everything they've got. I just followed along with what they had, and as you can see, it came out really good. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. I think it looks fantastic. Of course, a few days ago I had the opportunity to put the hood overlay, and this morning before it warmed up I got this installed. And again, I think Greg really steered me right with the matte black with the gloss orange over top. He had mentioned it in one of his videos. It's just a little brighter than the badge, but it's nothing I can't live with. I mean, it's fine. It looks great. Again, great big shout out to those guys at Underground Graphics, because Greg talked to me several times and answered every question that I had. And yeah, there's no complaints here. Once it got started and got a couple of pieces on, it became very easy to do myself. No problem with bubbles or wrinkles or anything like that. So don't know what else to add to that other than that. Thank you, Underground Graphics. It looks fantastic.